Note: the video shown may depict a different version of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to this notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery and memory door. Removal. Important: make careful note of which wireless antenna cable is connected to each terminal on the wireless LAN minicard for later replacement. Carefully disconnect the wireless antenna cables from the wireless LAN minicard with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless antenna cables from the wireless LAN minicard. Damaged cables or connectors can degrade notebook performance. Remove the 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless LAN minicard to the system board and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the wireless LAN minicard by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Place the wireless LAN minicard in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Grasp the wireless LAN minicard by the edges and remove it from the static dissipative bag. Align the notch in the wireless LAN minicard with the key in the wireless LAN minicard slot on the system board. At an angle, gently insert the wireless LAN minicard into the slot on the system board. Press the wireless LAN minicard down and replace the 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless LAN minicard to the system board. Reconnect the wireless antenna cables to the wireless LAN minicard. Caution: use care when connecting the wireless antenna cables to the wireless LAN minicard. Damaged cables or connectors can degrade notebook performance. Route the wireless LAN minicard antenna cables into the routing clips built into the base enclosure.